Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change bullet point color in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to change bullet point color. At first, create a bulleted list. We go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write some text. Now I am write some text. Then select the all text, click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the home menu and we can see here the bulleted list. You can add any bullet point. Now I am select this. Then go back again the bullet drop down menu and go to the bullets and numbering option. Then we can see here open bullet and numbering window. Then we select the color drop down menu. We can see here many color option. Now I am select the red color. Then choose OK. And we can see we change the bullet color very easily. You can change another color. Go back again the bullets and numbering option and choose any color. You can see here many color. You can choose any color. Now we can see we change bullet point color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.